Let me ask you something. If the debt system wasn't built to help you, what if it was built to keep you trapped? Today, I'm going to show you why the debt system is rigged and how the exposure method cuts $300 off your bills starting today. This isn't theory. This is real, immediate savings you can uncover in the next 24 hours. Most people think they're bad with money, but the truth is this. The system is designed to keep you paying forever. Interest rates rise, fees pile up, bills increase, and your paycheck stays the same. That's not you failing. That's the system working exactly as intended. Debt companies profit when you're stressed, when you're confused, when you feel stuck. Every month, a silent portion of your money disappears into payments you barely notice anymore. They count on you feeling too overwhelmed to check the details. But what if you stopped playing their game? What if you decided to look closer? So let's expose where your money is leaking and take back at least $300 starting today. The exposure method is simple. You shine a light on every hidden cost draining your income. Think of your finances like a pipe system. Over time, tiny, invisible leaks spring up everywhere, and before you know it, you're losing a ton of water. Once you see the leaks clearly, you can plug them fast. There are 3 categories where almost everyone overspends: subscriptions, service bills, and interest. We're going to expose each one and show you exactly where your $300 is hiding. Most people don't realize they're paying for things they no longer use or for rates that have crept up over time. But today, you're eliminating what no longer serves you. First up, subscription exposure. This is the low-hanging fruit. Most households overspend by $50 to $120 a month right here. I want you to open your bank or credit card statement and check everything: streaming services, apps, gym memberships, software trials you forgot about, those meal kit or delivery plans. The rule is simple. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Be ruthless. That action alone can save you $40 to $80 today. Next, for the subscriptions you do use, downgrade the tiers you don't fully need. Do you really need the 4K family plan if you're the only one watching on your phone? This can save you another $20 to $40 instantly. That's up to $120 saved in the first 10 minutes. Second, service bill exposure. This one requires a phone call, but the payoff is huge. We're talking about your internet, phone, insurance, and even some utilities. Most companies quietly raise your rate every year because they know you probably won't notice or won't bother to call. Here's what you do. Call them and say this one simple sentence. Hi, I'm reviewing my monthly bills, and I was wondering what new discounts or promotions are available for my account today. Fight the temptation, don't be aggressive, just be curious. This one sentence can lower your bills by $30 to $90 a month. Many companies offer loyalty discounts, but only if you ask. They won't just hand them out. This single step alone often unlocks $70 to $100 in savings. Third, we have interest exposure. This is the big one. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, drains $100 to $300 from your bank account every single month, often without you even realizing the true cost. The exposure method identifies where this silent killer is quietly stealing your income. Here are 2 things you can do right now. First, call your credit card company and request a rate reduction. Just ask. It works more often than you'd think, especially if you've been a good customer. Or even better, move your high-interest balances to a lower-interest option, like a balance transfer card or a personal loan. Freeing up an extra $50 to $150 monthly is very achievable. This step alone often gets people halfway to our $300 goal. So let's put it all together. Subscriptions, $40 to $120 saved. Service bills, $70 to $100 saved. Interest, $50 to $150 saved. When you add it up, the total potential savings today is between $160 and $370. That's your money, and today, you take it back. This is precisely why the exposure method is so powerful. It works because you finally see the financial traps the system deliberately hides from you. It's not about blame, it's about empowerment. You are now in control. If today's steps opened your eyes, imagine what happens when you expose the rest of your financial traps. This was just the beginning. Watch part 2 of this series, where I walk you through building your complete money reset plan. We'll take these savings and create a system that works for you, not against you. The system may be rigged, but now you know how to start beating it. and part 2 will take you even further. See you there.